Good morning, Daryl with the Automatic Trade Desk. It is April 25th, 2022, 8:12 and a half or so a.m. Pacific time. And as you can see, we're in an open P&L. What are we trading today? We're trading the ES, which is the mini feature of the S&P index. We have 4 contracts. We're currently short. Our entry was right here. Around midnight Pacific time, and this is current price. So no one knows what's going to happen in the market. We're currently in an open P&L, which means we're in an open trade. Closed P&L is 0. This is the trade right now. 4 contracts short, target below, stop above. More to come later. We'll see how this day turns out. Okay, we're checking back in on this ES trade over here. We're currently pushing down towards our target right now. Once again, nobody knows what the market's going to do next. So we're close to our target. We may be going to hit it, but we could also go up and hit our stop. So the market can and will do anything at any time. We're currently trading the ES, which is the mini future, the S&P index. Here we are, April 25th, 2022. It's almost 8:33 a.m. Pacific time. Currently short, target below, stop above. We're flirting with our target here. We're on a 5-minute candlestick. That means every 5 minutes price starts a new candlestick. So each candlestick represents 5 minutes of price. And so keeping that in mind, this candlestick will end at 8:35. Okay. What's the most important part of a candlestick? The close, where it ends up at the end of the candlestick. So we still have another minute and a half to go for that. We don't know where this candlestick will close at, and right now we're just kind of popping around, flirting with our target once again. So we're trading the ES, the mini feature of the S&P today. We have 4 contracts, so we're in an open P&L right now, around 6,000, and we're short. So when did we get in? We got in around midnight here, and this was our entry exactly right here. And this is the daily candlestick, what it looks like. So we have downward pressure today. And if we want to look at, as you can see, we're pushing up a little bit here towards the end of the candlestick. So what did I say? The most important part was the close, right? So here we are pushing up. Just this amount right here on 4 contracts makes about, a $700 difference or so, you can see. So let's take a look at the daily candlestick. Let's take a look, okay? This is a daily chart, so each candlestick represents 1 day. I'm showing right now back to November. And this was our price action, and currently we're right here. So where are we? Well, we had a downward trend, but then we popped above that, and then we hit some resistance up here and actually started coming down, and once again tested that, didn't close above it, and here we are back down in this area. Now, would this be qualify and be sort of a double top, the reverse of a W? Yeah, it could do that. It could go down that much again some more. And what do I expect down below? Oh, look, I see I have some stuff down here below from another time, and let's see if I have enough data to figure out why I have that line there. We'll go back in time, and there it is. Oh, look at that. That's amazing. You see that right there? We had a little gap in price. And so this is a major place where we're going to want to come down and pop to. So I've expected that to be for a long time. This has been in since last April. So really a year this line has been here. So here we are, current price. Once again, a ways to go to get to that line. Will we go to the top before we go down? Could be. Nobody knows that about the market. Absolutely nobody knows what's going to happen in the future. But it's fun to plot these levels and see how the market does react at times. So that's it for the daily candlestick, what we're looking at there. So we're going to compress that again, and we're back to current price. So we'll check back on this in a little bit. Okay, we're approaching the close of another candlestick on this 5-minute period here. As you can see, this is current price. So it'll be interesting to see whether this candlestick closes red or green. We have another 20 seconds to go on this candlestick. Now we're neutral. You can see we've been popped way up above. It was pushed down. Now we're negative. Okay, we got 10 seconds to go. Looks like it wants to close negative here, but I don't say until it does. So we got 2 seconds, and it did. So now we'll see if we have any follow through or if we get any closer to our target in this next period. We did have significant pressure pushing down. That's what these wicks, or I call them tails a lot, these wicks in the candlesticks that are lines, they actually signify whether price is pushing up, like right here, or whether it's actually been pushed down, like right here. So if we have some follow through, then we're likely to hit our target in this 5-minute period. As you can see, like, look at the size of this 5-minute candlestick here, and the size of this 5-minute candlestick, and this one, and this one. So we have a pretty good size, and in that size, we might be able to reach our target here. And I think we probably will sometime in this next 5-minute period. But once again, nobody knows what the market will do. It can and will do anything at any time. And so as far as knowing ahead of time, nobody knows. Everybody's just guessing, okay? So that's why we're automatic trading here. Automatic trading takes all the trades, no matter what. It doesn't have to guess. It takes your inputs. And do you hear dude? It's like I can hear dude in the background, and I think he's like cheering this trade on. Okay, so anyhow, here we are in this 5-minute candlestick, just a minute and a half into it, and this is so far where we are. So we'll check back on this in just a minute. Okay, here we are, the last 20 seconds of this candlestick. Remember I said the most important part is where it closes. See how it's closing? Well, it hasn't closed yet. We got another 10 seconds. But if it closes really negative like this, we should have enough push through to actually get to our target. So here's the close. Boom, it closed. And there's our target. So automatic trading, amazing to watch. No hands at all in this trading. Okay, all automatic time controls, all automatic bracket orders, all automatic P&L management, which you can see is pretty nice here. We're 1 for 1 on the ES, the mini future, the S&P index. So we have a closed P&L now, $7,500, and we are flat. So daily candlestick right here, April 25th, 2022, $7,500 on 4 contracts on the ES. And we are flat and waiting for another trade. We have, about 4 more hours, a little over 4 hours left in the trading day today for this strategy. So we'll see what happens as the day goes on.